Superb, superb. So let me begin. This session is going to be in Hindi and English. The intention is to help you all to become better in the life. Okay, before I go ahead, I want from you. Okay, what is your intention? Please type in the chat. आपका intention क्या है? इस सेशन अटेंड करने का इंटेंशन क्या है? I'll share my intention also. Okay, you can type in the chat or yes. Okay, to be happy, to achieve the goals, you can select everyone so that everyone can see it. Yes. Okay, चलिए दोस्तों, networking help people and make them financial free. Superb. To get more knowledge. Yes. Okay. Superb. So आज का सेशन I'll keep it Hindi English जिससे make money, to be active always. Wow. Yes. Okay. To have more time and freedom for my hobbies and interest, to be more motivated. Yes. Okay. Let me share my thought on this. Okay. Before I go ahead, this session is not going to be any promotion or at the end any selling. Nothing. Okay. Nothing. इन उल्टा यानी आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा जहां पर हम मिलके एक वर्कआउट कर सकते हैं और even there is a club, okay, Brahma Muhurt Club, which is going to give an opportunity for you who are going to stay till end. It will be around 30 to 40 minutes only, okay, and they are going to get an opportunity to get amazing access to the experiences. Okay, यानी क्या क्या हो सकता है उसके ऊपर हम बात करेंगे. ओके, मैं यहाँ पर एक निमित्त हूँ, कुछ पॉइंट्स मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा. ओके, एंड रेस्ट विल बी नॉर्मल. ओके, सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी. ओके, मेरा इंटेंशन क्या है यहाँ पर आपको बुलाने का? मेरा इंटेंशन ये है कि आई डोंट नो, फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर कहते हैं या इवन बहुत सारे ट्रेनर कहते हैं कि वी बिकम द एवरेज ऑफ द पीपल सराउंडेड बाय अस. ओके, तो मैं बोला क्या यार, मैं जिनके साथ रहता हूँ, ओके, जिनके साथ मैं रहता हूँ यानी आप लोगों के साथ मैं रहता हूँ, अगर मैं आपको मोटिवेट करूं, अगर आपको मैं एक अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी दूं, अगर आपकी वजह से मेरा भी एनर्जी अगर बढ़ जाता है, ओके, सो दैट इज अ ग्रेटेस्ट बेनिफिट. इस इंटेंशन के साथ, ओके, इस इंटेंशन के साथ आई विल बी हियर. Okay, I can see a lot of people. Most welcome. Okay, so intention is for your growth. Okay, there is no much मेरा benefit, आपका benefit होगा तो yes. Okay, associating with you is my benefit. Okay, चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की सफर. Okay, so first of all, let me ask you some questions. I mean to say, you can ask yourself. For example, do you wish to achieve your goals faster? Okay, कितने लोगों को लगता है कि मुझे अपना गोल्स ना जल्दी अचीव करना है? If yes, type 1 in the chat. Okay, क्या आप? Okay, superb. Do you wish to double your life? आपका, see, we cannot increase our life. Okay, so whatever, but do you wish to double your life? It is possible. कैसे? I'm going to share. Okay, superb. Giriraj ji, welcome. Shivraj, Venkatesh, superb. Are you looking for association with the people like energetic people? See, दोस्त हैं, okay, लेकिन अभी ऐसे कुछ दोस्त चाहिए क्या जो एनर्जेटिक है, जो हाईएस्ट लेवल ऑफ एनर्जी में काम कर रहा है. Okay, are you looking for? क्या आप अपना हाईएस्ट पोटेंशियल लेवल को अचीव करना चाहते हैं क्या? दोस्तों याद रखिएगा कि हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक, ओके, यू कैन रेट योरसेल्फ say whatever the way you are now working, whatever the way you are now working, वो कितना परसेंटेज आपका है. I'll repeat once again. For example, मैं अभी आज का दिन जो भी काम किया या लास्ट 1 मंथ जो भी काम किया, तो इफ आस्क मी, ओके, उसका परसेंटेज में अगर हम बात करें तो शायद इसको और जबरदस्त हो सकता था, और जबरदस्त हो सकता था अगर हम 100% ऑफ माइंड, अगर मैं जबरदस्त काम करता, इफ आई गिव माय बेस्ट 100%, देन इफ यू कंपेयर टू दैट लेवल, इफ यू कंसिडर माय वर्क, let me be frank with you, I think it is around 35 to 40%. It means there is a lot of scope. Okay, lot of scope. I want to wake up early. कभी कभी संडे में जरा रिलैक्स हो जाता हूँ. Okay, so there is a lot of scope. So I want to know from you, okay, आपका कितना परसेंटेज वर्क हो रहा है लास्ट मंथ, okay, till last month, okay, how much percentage, यानी आपका 100% कैपेसिटी जो भी द बेस्ट हो सकता है, उसका कितना परसेंटेज रिजल्ट या कितना परसेंटेज एफर्ट या कितना परसेंटेज वर्क यू आर डूइंग. प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द चैट. ओके, 50, ओके, 15, सुपर. ओके, सो 15 अगर है तो जबरदस्त अपॉर्चुनिटी है यहाँ पर, ओके, हाईएस्ट लेवल ग्रो करने का. सुपर. 40, 20 to 30, वेरी गुड. 50, fantastic, fantastic. 100, fantastic. Okay, great, great. Okay, so if you ask me, I haven't yet reached this 100 level. I want to reach it. Okay, I'm really working hard. Okay, अगर हम सभी लोग मिलके वर्कआउट करेंगे तो शायद द बेस्ट हो जाएगा. Okay, superb, superb. Okay, let me ask you last question. For example, जो भी बड़े बड़े लोग हैं ना, वो क्या कर रहे हैं? They are working to the fullest level. They are working to the fullest level. You take anybody's name. Okay, can you please type your greatest leader, greatest inspiration? Please type the greatest inspiration name in the chat. Superb. Yes, Namo. Okay, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर. ओके, लेट डॉन ब्रैडमैन. सुपर. सदगुरु. यस, यू कैन जस्ट इमेजिन द वे, यानी कितना एफर्ट ले रहे हैं. ओके, द वे. यस, मी आएगा लेकिन पहले हमारा जो भी मेंटर रहेंगे. यस, वॉरेन बफेट. फैंटास्टिक, फैंटास्टिक. सो व्हाट आई मीन टू से, इफ यू सी ऑल दीज पीपल, okay, they are waking up very early, they are giving their best, and they are, I think, according to me, they are working minimum 80% to 100% of their fullest potential. They are working for like 80 to 100% of their fullest potential. Okay, so friends, here I'll be sharing some opportunity with you, like how you all can reach to that level. Okay, reach, and it is possible. It is possible. I'm already doing this activity. I'm already part of this club from last 31 days. So I am inviting you about that part also. So let me share some of the benefits for you. Okay, let me share the mind map so that you can see it better way. Okay, let me present it in better way. As I said, I'll be sharing in a very, very short way. Visit all topic. Let me share the screen. Yes, I hope you can see the mind map. So first of all, let me share what are the benefits. We are the human beings. We need to know the benefits. Okay, few benefits. Wake up at 3:30 a.m. How many of you wish to wake up at 3:30 a.m.? Type me in the chat. Let me see. कितने लोग हैं who want to? Okay, wish है, desire है. Okay, होगा कि नहीं होगा, that is secondary. Okay, superb. Dora Babu, Belur, Venkatesh ji, superb, superb. Okay, so at least let me know. Okay, Nirmal, superb. Shivraj, fantastic. Okay, so Pooja, great, great. Okay, next is what is the second benefit is going to be you are going to triple your productivity. डबल नहीं है, यानी productivity आपका जो भी है highest level पर जाएगा. Okay, and highest level of energy. Always remember, energy is everything. We are all made up of energy. लेकिन इसको experience कैसे किया जाए? Okay, you will be coming to know about that. Vijay ji, superb. Association with the greatest energetic people. Okay, just imagine, for example, Belur, Venkatesh, Giriraj, Dora Babu. We can associate with the people who are interested with working with the highest energy. And remember, okay, energy is transformed from one form to another form. तो बस उनका एनर्जी हमारे पास आ सकता है, हमारी एनर्जी उनके पास जा सकता है. ओके, कंसिस्टेंसी और एक बेनिफिट क्या है कि कंसिस्टेंसी फॉर डेफिनेट रिजल्ट. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ डेफिनेट रिजल्ट पाए तो ये आपके लिए द बेस्ट है. यहाँ पर आप किससे सीखने वाले हैं? डॉक्टर एम.के. शिवानी. शी इज हैविंग एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ मोर देन 32 years. Especially her specialization is Millionaire Mindset program. Next is Captain Venkateshan Ramamurthy. He is a pilot having 50+ years of experience. Okay, Mahesh Asarmani. Okay, I'm here to help you. My main mission is to help with knowledge and technology. Okay, and Manas, okay, who is an expert in entrepreneurship, and he is always having the intention to help people to grow their business with different ideas. Okay, so you are going to witness the phenomenal miracles. How many of you believe miracle happens? Can anyone share any miracle happened with you? आपके साथ कोई miracle हुआ है तो please share in the chat. Any miracle? If you ask me the miracle, I never woke up at 3:30 a.m. Never. Okay, but from last 30 days I'm waking up. Okay, कभी मैं सोचा नहीं था कि I had intention but never thought of waking up. Okay, yes. Okay, Karpagam had miracles. Giriraj's had miracle. Super. Okay, so एक मैं फॉर्मूला आपको बताना चाहता हूँ. Please type yes for secret. I want to share a secret with you. Okay, superb. Let me share the secret. The secret is if you believe miracles are going to happen, miracle happens. Okay, if you believe, अगर आपको लगता है ना, अरे यार miracle होगा, इंडिया जीतेगा, okay, then miracle is going to happen. Okay, अगर expectation नहीं है तो वहां पर result आएगा नहीं. So let us have amazing expectation. Okay, so let's move to the next level. Okay, next level. So these are the few benefits. Next is how exactly this Brahma Muhurta Club is going to work. Okay, how exactly the Brahma Muhurta Club is going to work. And that is, for example, the first thing you are going to do is you are going to wake up before 3:30 a.m. early morning, and you're going to log in at 3:25 a.m. Okay, you're going to log in. The first stage is the meditation. 20 minutes of meditation. This is the Brahma Muhurta time. Completely, we all are going to focus only on one thing, and that is breath. Okay, if breathing is there, we are living. Okay, so there we are going to share a lot of powerful music which is going to help to enhance this meditation time. This is the first action. Second action is at 3:30 a.m. 3:50 a.m. and it is about the task. You'll be given or you'll be shared some templates about the smartest schedule, how to manage your time. If you can't manage your time, then time is going to manage you. So it's better that we are going to manage. Okay, so we'll be sharing some success log journal and reflect yesterday. Okay, how was yesterday? How is going to be today? Okay, let us focus only on these 2 days. 4 a.m. it's going to be about prayer, some affirmations, mantras, and visualization will be there. 4 or 5 a.m. is gratitude. Okay, always remember one formula. My spiritual guru says, जिस चीज पर आप ध्यान देते हैं वो आपको मिलता ही है. जिस चीज पर आप ध्यान देते हैं वो आपको मिलता ही है. Whatever you are going to focus, you are going to get it. पहले मुझे नहीं समझ में आता था. Then what? Then what? I started believing it. I started forcefully focus on the things what I want. Okay, and that's it. The miracle started happening. Okay, so let me share. So always thank. उल्टा बोलो. उल्टा यानी क्या? पहले भगवान को बोल दो, थैंक यू गॉड फॉर गिविंग मी दिस मच मनी. भगवान बोले, अरे मैंने तो अभी तक आपको दिया ही नहीं. नो प्रॉब्लम. तो अभी आपको मिल जाएगा. यू विल बी गिवन. Okay, thanks to parents, family. Okay, and especially prayer, sabka mangal ho. Okay, and the secret prayer is, always remember these are the 4 steps. Number 1 is I'm sorry. I'm sorry for whatever the thing happened. I'm sorry. I was not able to utilize myself fullest. Please forgive me. Okay, you can say to yourself, you can say to God, you can say to your parents, anyone. Third formula, thank you. Thank you for everything. ठीक है, अभी तक मालूम नहीं था, अभी मालूम हो रहा है, हो चुका है. Okay, let's take the advantage. And the last one is I love you. Okay, I love you. So this is the amazing formula. Okay, please note it down. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Ho'oponopo. Yes, Pratik. You're absolutely right. Okay. So क्या है? See, I don't know. मेरा intention क्या है कि क्या है, कौन सा technique है? Let us take the advantage of that. Okay. And the last action is at 4:10 a.m. is about the sharing the experiences, achievements, hacks, ideas, results, and question answer. So what exactly is going to happen here? What exactly happens here is maybe by referring others' experience, okay, we get idea. Okay, our bulb may get on. So it's an amazing experience you'll be having. So these are the different actions. 3:30 a.m. meditation. Second action is 3:50 a.m. task and prayer, gratitude, and sharing. This is around 40 to 45 minutes session will be there every day. Okay, let me share the action plan for you. Okay, let me share first of all, this is for whom. Okay, this is a must if you are a visionary. अगर आप एक लॉन्ग टर्म सोच रहे हैं ना, तो दिस इज अ मस्ट फॉर यू. फ्यूचरिस्टिक पीपल जिन्हें फ्यूचर बनाना है, फॉर द हाईएस्ट ड्रीमर्स. ओके, यस, आई वांट टू अचीव दिस, आई वांट टू बी दिस. दिस इज फॉर यू. विश टू लिव एटर्नल. कैसे कभी हो सकता है क्या? क्या आप हमेशा हमेशा के लिए जीते रहें? पॉसिबल है इफ यू थिंक इट इज पॉसिबल. Okay, and contribute to the society and at large the world. Oops. Powerful entrepreneurs, super coaches, and greatest consultants. If you are among them, then yes, this is for you. This is for you. So that's it from my side. Any questions? Okay, before I go ahead, how many of you are interested? Please type in the chat me. How many of you are interested? Type me in the chat. Superb, superb. Okay, good news is always remember, greatest things are available free of cost. But the problem is we don't value. Great means getting excited about today or tomorrow. Wow. Yes, super. Okay, super. So right now, this is completely free, at least only for few people for next 30 days. Yes, it is right now, it is free. Already I wake up 3:30 a.m. daily. Fantastic, Dora Babu. Super. Okay. See, there are many hidden gems are there. Okay. Only the thing is, let us associate with them. Okay. Super. Okay. Let me give the action plan. I'm going to share the WhatsApp group. Okay. This is open only for today. Okay. This is going to be how to wake up. Okay. Please join this group. Okay. And any question, I'm going to answer all the questions. Here, we are fortunate. Manas is also there. Okay. Manas is there. Okay. So many people are there. Okay. I'm going to answer all the queries one by one. Okay. So many people are joining in. Okay. Welcome. Welcome to the club. Yes. Yes. Okay. Gajinder, Pooja, Uma Shankar. Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Only gratitude. Nothing special in that. Okay. So I want you to take the advantage. Okay. I'll answer the questions first of all in the chat and then come back to Venkatesh to you. Okay. How to wake up at 3:30 a.m. Good question, Sham. Okay. Even this was also big challenge for me. Okay. Big question, big challenge. Even Dora Babu can also help us. Okay. So let me share the 3 secrets. Okay. 3 secrets. Type yes in the chat to share my secrets. Okay. And the good thing is you can learn from others. You can learn the secrets from others. Okay. Number 1 is no matter what, sleep before 10 p.m. Okay, sleep before 10 p.m. Okay, first secret. Second is say to the bed, say to yourself, I'm going to wake up at 3:30 a.m. Okay, I'm going to wake up at 3:30 a.m. And for your information, nowadays miracles are happening. Sometimes my battery was low, so I kept my mobile for charging in another room, but I don't know what happened. Okay, exactly 3:15 a.m. I woke up. Okay, I woke up, and I hope you might have experienced these kind of experiences. Okay, no need to have any yes, Dora Babu. Even nowadays, what I'm doing is I'm training my daughters. Like, what time you want to wake up, you just visualize. And yesterday, what she done is she said, I want to wake up at 7. I said, let's make it odd. Okay, she said like 6:57, and it is possible. Okay, I say like how this happens. Only what is required is the belief. Okay, I hope Sham you are getting. See, again, it's very very simple. I'm not alone. There are so many greatest people are there. You can just ask them. Okay, you can ask Dora Babu how you wake up at 3:30 a.m. Okay, this is my challenge. So I'm what you can say, I'm technology guy. Okay, I can help you. I can say I'm still not depending on myself, so I always keep alarm and keep my mobile sufficient distance away, and once the alarm rings, okay, just to leave the bed as it is. Okay, just to leave the bed and run away from the bed. Okay, bed is really magnet, especially at 3:30 a.m. Okay, you'll experience. Okay, yes. So let me see, any questions are there. By what time one should sleep to get before 3:30 a.m. Right now I'm sleeping at 10 a.m. 10 p.m. Okay, and 3:30 it is like maximum you have to sleep before 10 p.m. Okay, and even like our mentor, our association, like Dr. MK Shivani, she's also going to share about sleep nidra. Okay, so how to sleep in just 20 minutes and get the energy of 2 hours. Okay, so these things also you'll be shared. You'll be getting that. Okay, thank you, Veena. I'm also doing frequently this meditation. Fantastic, Vijay. Please associate. See, we need, sometimes remember what the positive things need to be promoted higher, faster. Negative things doesn't require any promotion. Okay, so I'm taking this initiative to connect. Super. So waking up at 3:30 a.m., doing all rituals and sleeping back. No, 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 no. No sleeping back. See, once you, Sham, to be frank, like I was doing this when I joined. So I was like waking up at 3:30, 3:15 and okay. And at 4:15 session is going to be over. And you don't remember, you don't realize like you are just close to the bed. ये बेड इतना जबरदस्त मैग्नेट होता है ना दोस्तों कि बस आप वहां पर बैठो, वो आपको कैसे खींचेगा आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. ओके या सी ये इतना एनर्जी गेन करने के बाद ना नींद तो जबरदस्त आएगी, उसमें कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके डाउट ही नहीं है. लेकिन इस एनर्जी को गेन करने के बाद ना अचीव ऑल योर ड्रीम्स उसके लिए यूज करना है. ओके इसके लिए यूज करना है. ओके आई विल शेयर मोर बट इट इज 100%. हाँ कब तक सोना नहीं है? एटलीस्ट टिल 7 PM 7 AM और 8 AM डोंट स्लीप. ओके 7 AM और 8 AM डोंट स्लीप. ओके सुपर सुपर. आई वाज डूइंग दिस मिस्टेक इनिशियली, यू डोंट नो, लाइक आई वाज एनीवे. नहीं तो आप बोलेंगे अरे यार इनको ही नहीं आता तो ये कैसे हमें सिखाएंगे. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टीच एवरीथिंग. I'm part of this. I'm just a tiny part of this club. That's it. Okay, I'm nothing. I'm 0%. You can say. Okay, I'm just like you. See what I thought is like let's have more association. I believe in only one thing. Okay, that is 1 + 1 11. Okay, one idea I have. You have one idea. So example, I have one reason to wake up at 3:30 AM. You have one reason to wake up at 3:30 AM. I get inspiration. I need energy. Okay, I need energy. Okay. Okay, yes. Is there any chance to feel low energy or sleeping during the day while working? Yes, Pratik, yes. Okay, initially these all things are going to happen. Okay, initially these all things are going to happen. Okay, and you just to go through this process. इनिशियली यूल बी होल डे आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि बहुत नींद आएगा. ओके बट स्टिल ओके सोना, दिन में सोना, लेकिन आपका लोएस्ट एनर्जी टाइम जब है ना उस टाइम पर सोना है. एग्जाम्पल, आई स्लीप एट 2 to 2:30 एवरी डे. ओके इसीलिए मैं किसी को बोलता नहीं कि टू कनेक्ट. यस, बेलूर सेइंग इज लाइक पावर नैप. ओके चैंटिंग ओम. ओके बट doesn't the body need 7 hours at least sleep? I don't know. Okay. I don't know. Okay, you know, see I don't know. See, if you ask me, okay, if you ask me, हमें जितना नेसेसरी ना बॉडी हमें बोलता है, बॉडी हमें बोलता है, ओनली हमें सुनने के लिए होना चाहिए. ओके कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि अच्छा कि ये गजेंद्र जी सो रहे हैं फॉर 8 hours, सो आई शुड स्लीप फॉर 8 hours. नो, आजकल हम अलग काम कर रहे हैं, है ना. सो इट इज नॉट एट ऑल लाइक दैट. अगर आप ग्रेटेस्ट पीपल को अगर देखेंगे तो वो लोग नहीं सो रहे ना, फिर कैसे क्या वो जी रहे हैं, राइट. देर अगर आप गूगल करेंगे तो चाइना में एक पर्सन है, एंड ऐसे हुआ है हिस्ट्री में, फॉर 30 कंटिन्यूअस डेज ही हैडंट स्लेप्ट, फिर भी वो जिंदा है. इसका अगर इतना हो सकता है तो बस हम किधर है. ओके बट यस, आई रिकमेंड कि थोड़ा सा स्लीप डेफिनेटली होना है. 10 to 3:30 3:15 सो ये दिन में उसका और एक एडवांटेज ले सकते हैं. सी इंटेंशन है कि उस पीरियड में जो एनर्जी गेन करते हैं ना उसको हमें कन्वर्ट करना है इनटू द रिजल्ट्स. ओके कन्वर्ट द थिंग्स इनटू रिजल्ट्स. दैट्स इट. बाकी सभी इंफॉर्मेशन टीम देने वाले हैं. and again good thing is just gain this experience. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, नहीं आएगा रिजल्ट, नो प्रॉब्लम. अभी तक हमारा जो भी लाइफ था वैसे चल रहा है, चलने दो. अगर गलती से रिजल्ट आया तो वाओ. ओके रिजल्ट आया तो अच्छी बात है. लॉटरी लगती है तो टिकट निकालना पड़े. सो सेम थिंग. ओके जस्ट अटेंड दिस प्रोग्राम. ओके You mentioned 2 secrets: sleep before 10 p.m. Okay, yeah. अच्छा, दो ही बताइए, थर्ड वन. Okay, 10 p.m. पहले सोना है, and to wake up, order yourself. Yes. The third one is दिन में सोना है. Okay, दिन में उसका कोटा कंप्लीट करना है. Okay, दिन में कोटा कंप्लीट करना है. Yes. Even recently, one of my friend Karthik, what he said is write 21 times. Okay, write 21 times. I'm going to wake up at 3:15 a.m. I'm going to wake up at 3:15 a.m. I'm going to wake up at 3:15 a.m. Oops, ये लिखने से क्या होता है? वो माइंड को लगता है इतना बार बोल रहा है तो करना पड़ेगा. That's it. There are many reasons, secrets we'll be sharing. Yes, even Dora Babu is also going to share. Okay, he's there. Yes. Can I share mindset? Okay, first of all, I'll just cover up something and I'll take up the questions and then. Okay, Bhavisha ma'am, welcome. I'm part of offline yoga class that is 6:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Fantastic. See, आप क्या कर रहे हैं, कैसे कर रहे हैं? Okay, everything is fine. Only मेरा intention यहाँ पर एक ही है और वो है रिजल्ट. ओके, आप करो, कुछ भी करो, रिजल्ट्स मैटर्स. मैंने सोचा कि अभी इन लोगों को रिजल्ट में कैसे लाके दूं. मैं नहीं दे सकता आपको रिजल्ट. ओके, आपको ही निकालना पड़ेगा. बट हाउ? बाय फॉलोइंग सर्टेन थिंग्स. After 4:15 a.m. can we do book reading, pranayam? 100% yes. Uma Shankar, you are gaining that energy. मैं आज आपको मैं शेयर करता हूं मेरा आज का रिजल्ट. सी, आई वाज बिहाइंड वन टूल. एक टूल मैंने लिया था. यू आर अवेयर, लाइक आई एम हेल्पिंग पीपल टू जनरेट कंटिन्यूअस लीड्स यूजिंग व्हाट्सएप ऑटोमेशन. सो मैंने एक टूल लेके रखा था व्हाट्सएप बिजनेस के लिए, to send automated message by using Google Sheet and all these things, but not used. Okay, how many of you got WhatsApp from me? And do you know, today just type me in the chat. एक नया नंबर से आपको आया रहेगा. And can you believe we have sent around 800 messages from one number. 800 messages from one number by using that tool. And that experimentation, that पावर इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, थोड़ा सिस्टम कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था, बिकॉज आई नेवर डन दैट एक्टिविटी. ओके, सो आई सेड लाइक बस ये एनर्जी गेन किया और टाइम प्लान में रखा कि इस ऑटो पायलट सिस्टम को आज इंप्लीमेंट करना ही है. नोबडी, इवन जिन्होंने ये सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया ना, उन्होंने भी नहीं किया. आई गारंटी यू, बिकॉज आई बिलीव इन जस्ट इंप्लीमेंटेशन एंड गेटिंग द रिजल्ट्स. ओके, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू ऑल आर हियर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. ओके, सो वो सारे चीज करो जो आपके रिजल्ट में काउंट करेगा. यस, जयप्रकाश सेड लाइक एक्शन लीड्स टू द रिजल्ट्स. बस ये जो आफ्टर 4:15 AM है ना, उसको हमें यूज करना है फॉर द गेटिंग द डूइंग द एक्शंस, टेकिंग एक्शंस टू गेट द रिजल्ट्स. ओके, Uma Shankar says sometime if we go for outstation or driving, don't we feel sleepy? Definitely. For example, एक दिन I'm expecting, Uma Shankar, like अगर आप खुद ड्राइव कर रहे हैं तो ये नहीं करना है. Okay, so definitely you have to take rest. Okay, and okay, just imagine you are having a driver. That's it. Okay, let us think in that direction. Doing meditation every day morning 5 a.m. Yes, 5 a.m. club. See, even I am doing this 3:30 a.m. Brahma Muhurt and 5 a.m. also. जो भी जहां पर भी एनर्जी मिलेगा, क्यों नहीं छोड़ना है. एनर्जी हमेशा लेते रहेगा. सुपर निश नंबर 1 था. यस. ओके, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू आंसर सम क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम यू. वेंकटेश, प्लीज गो अहेड. जिनको भी क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. आई एम गोइंग टू आंसर.
Mahesh, can you once again share the timetable?
Okay. Yeah.
I will click the photo.
One sec. Oops. One sec. Is it this one?
Yes.
हाँ.
Fine.
Yes.
So by 4:10 we will be free. Or
4:15. 4:15.
4:15. Okay.
4:10, some sharing will be there. By 4:15, you'll be free.
Fine. No problem.
Yes. Okay.
Thanks.
Most welcome. Belur, please go ahead.
I just want to share one thing.
Yeah, please.
See, I was a road runner at the age of 8. This happened in 2008 or 2009. Reason probably I had to take my mother somewhere. Believe it or not, I got up at 2:45 a.m. and started jogging.
Wow. What is your age now?
I'm 58.
Wow. Super.
And I do even, I do meditation, I chant Om. And sometimes, this is how I am. Probably at the age of 14, I started doing yogasana.
Amazing.
But there's some breaks and all that, still I can do it.
Yes. Super.
This is how, it's something, it's an inbuilt thing for me. And basically, I'm writing a book on World Cup also. I'm a cricket umpire, a cricket statistician.
Yes. Last time we had discussion.
And I think you have seen my link on the YouTube.
Yes.
That's it. I just want to say, anyway,
Thank you.
Club, and I wish let's share let's remove the negative things from our mind from this, and let's move forward.
Please. Thank you very much, Belur. We need the wishes. Thank you very much. Yes, Umashankar, please share your question if you have any. Umashankar.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, Mahesh. Can you able to hear me?
Now best.
Yeah. Actually, what I want to ask you is, like after 4:15 a.m. or before 3:30, can we have a glass of water or finish all our?
Yes. See, all these the expert consultancy you are going to get inside. Okay, so you'll be getting all the ideas. Okay, so we are not, see, even Dr. Shivani, she is going to share us exactly what to do. She is going to read the affirmation. She is going to read the prayer. Okay, we have to just follow it. Okay, it's wonderful.
One more question. Actually, the day after tomorrow, I'm going out of station, myself driving around morning 6 o'clock. So that time also I should do this and go, or what?
Absolutely no problem. Absolutely no problem. Okay. One thing, for example, anyone waking up at 3:30, I hope Belur, Dora Babu, you are there? Okay, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, I am there.
Dora Babu, is it recommended? See, I don't know. Okay, so I'm asking you. Umashankar is going to drive at 6 a.m. So is it recommended to wake up at 3:30 and do this process? Yes or no?
No. What driving happens.
Correct. Thank you. Umashankar, got your solution?
Yeah, better not to drive, no?
Yeah, no. Not to do this process. Driving for you, it is required. So you okay. Yes.
Okay.
Super.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dora Babu. Yes. और किसी का भी क्वेश्चन है तो भविष्य में हम लेट ज्वाइन किया, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई एम शेयरिंग द ग्रुप लिंक. ओके, प्लीज ज्वाइन दिस व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. ओके, already so many people, already the batch is going on. Okay, so this you can take advantage. Yes, welcome Bhavishna. Thank you very much. Any question? Last 1 or 2 questions we can take.
Yeah, Mahesh ji, shall I?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes. Thing is, see, already Karthik session is going on.
Yes.
So can we? I'm practicing now for getting up at 4:30. So I think it will be successful. So can we start? Means myself, I can start after a week.
Doesn't matter. See, see now you are getting that into zone. Okay, you are getting into that zone, waking up at 4:30. Okay, some more time if you can wake up. Okay, 1 hour plus. I know it is. See, nowadays ladies are working double duty. Okay, so so after COVID, it is very challenging task for you. But still, if you can do it, and that morning time, 4:30, 4:15 to say 8 a.m. Okay, you can finish up everything. You can finish up everything. And remember, friends, this is not for everyone. This is not for everyone. Even if I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I can see that like it's the call has to be there from God. ऐसा नहीं कि हमने सोचा कर लिया, ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, and you might have seen like why only few people become greatest successful even after what you can say, after so many challenges. Okay, if somebody fails to follow it daily initially, what is the punishment? Nothing yaar. Around क्यों punishment देना है? ये तो see, there is nothing punishment. It's not any school or कि नहीं किया तो homework नहीं किया तो आपको 100 rupees penalty भरना पड़ेगा. Nothing. Voice breaking. Okay.
Mahesh ji, one more question.
Yeah, please.
So what about this? About 30 days later, after 30 days, what it will be? What
Correct.
kind of group is this? How we will be doing this?
Let
So
us. What I can suggest is let us think of 30 days. Okay. So right now, what I think is let us think of now. Okay, and get the benefit. See, let me give you the inside secret. It's up to you whether to continue or not to continue. Okay, there is no compulsory. There is no compulsory. Okay, what is my benefit? For example, even if I get at least 2 days inspiration from you, okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. I hope you are understanding me.
okay.
सर मैं कुछ शेयर करूं?
हाँ बोलिए ना भविष्य मैम, आज तो एकदम फुल एनर्जी भी दिखाई दे रहा है. यस प्लीज गो अहेड.
ऐसे तो देखा जाए तो जनरली कुछ नई हैबिट्स अगर करनी है तो हमारे ब्रेन के न्यूरॉन्स जो है तो उसके अंदर जो नया पाथ जो बनना चाहिए उसके लिए उस चीज का मिनिमम 21 डेज तक रिपीट होना जरूरी है, ऐसा बोला जाता है. तो अगर ये 30 डेज का जो है उसको अगर हमने मतलब कंसिस्टेंटली अगर फॉलो कर लिया तो हो सकता है तो हमारा ब्रेन में उसका एक नया न्यूरॉन पाथ क्रिएट हो जाए और हमारी उससे क्या होता है एक नया संकल्प बल हमारा मजबूत होता है. क्योंकि मैंने लेट ज्वाइन किया लेकिन मैंने वो टाइम टेबल पढ़ा तो सुबह उठ के पहले प्रेयर करना है, ग्रेटिट्यूड नोट्स लिखनी है, फिर डेली टास्क जो लिखने हैं, ये सारी चीजें जो हैं वो अर्ली मॉर्निंग हमारा जो पूरा डे जो है उसे कैसे कॉन्कर करना है ना उसके लिए हमारे ब्रेन को रेडी कर देगा. अगर इस चीज के लिए अगर हमने हमारे ब्रेन को हैबिचुअल कर दिया तो लाइफ में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आना तो डेफिनेटली है, मेरा ऐसा मानना है. तो ये कल सुबह से शुरू होने वाला है. मैं
ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. ऑलरेडी हो चुका है. वहां पर भी मैंने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट की कि क्या मैं अपने कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स को भी इसमें ऐड कर सकता हूं, तो उन्होंने बोला कि कुछ दिन के लिए अलाउ कर सकते हैं. फिर भी मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया कि कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा. ओके, देन दे सेड 21 डेज. आई सेड कि हमारे लोग ना थोड़े हैं जरा अच्छे हैं, यानी कभी आते कभी नहीं आते. सो देन आई रिक्वेस्टेड फॉर 30 डेज. ओके, इसलिए ये एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है हमारे लिए. ओके, अगर हम वहां पर कुछ वैल्यू ऐड कर सकते हैं और हमारे वजह से यानी जो भी लोग ज्वाइन होंगे. ओके, सो सी मेरा मिशन है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को एक्टिवेट करो, हेल्प करो उनके ग्रोथ करने में. इवन भविष्य में आई एम रियली थैंकफुल कि 3 months बैक 4 months बैक इवन यू आल्सो हेल्प मी इन रिमूविंग द मनी ब्लॉक्स. ओके, सो हाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल? लाइक यस, like you all are having some extra things what others are not having. Just encash it.
डेफिनेटली.
yes.
तो इसके जूम के लिंक मिलेंगे ग्रुप में, ऐसा है?
ग्रुप में मिल जाएगा.
ठीक है, चलिए फिर कल सुबह मिलते हैं.
yes please. thank you super. 3:30 AM Okay.
Okay.
Maharishi, I have a
Super.
question. What is the group name?
BMC Club. Brahma
Yeah,
Muhurt.
I'm tapping it on the WhatsApp. I'm unable to get it.
Okay.
Can
बाकी
you
लोगों
please
को
send the link directly to my personal number? It will be so that I can join the group.
I don't. I meant to say, like, you can send me. Please share BMC Club link. Then yes, I can understand. Like, see, for me, like searching, and I can do it, but you can just request. Please send.
Yeah, I'll
this.
just send it right now.
Yes,
From
it
the
is-
number what you have sent earlier, 8 number, that the same number I'll send it.
BMC November 15 December 15 2021.
Okay, thank you. I'll do that right now.
Yes, please. The biggest challenge is to get to bed early by 10 p.m. to catch the sleep. See, challenges बहुत सारे आएंगे. Okay, अरुण जी, like ये आप ऐसे भी किसी को भी पूछा ना तो आपको सोल्यूशन दे देंगे. कुछ नहीं, यानी अगर आप फैमिली में बोल देते ना कि प्लीज लेट मी स्लीप, तो आई डोंट थिंक. एंड रिमेंबर कि आप कुछ बड़ा बनने की, बड़ा करने की सोच रहे हैं ना, तो 100% फैमिली इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. ओके, हम ओके, टू बी फ्रैंक, हम कभी ट्राई नहीं करते, उनसे मांगते नहीं एनी टाइम. ओके, वो बोलते कि अरे तुम क्या बड़ा करना चाहते हो. Okay, so it's an opportunity. I'm sorry, I'm sharing about me. Okay, why my wife is allowing me to do anything what I want? Kyunki she know कि यार yes, okay, something he want to do, something he is contributing because of me. If more people are going to get benefit, okay, and family is family. Okay, they are the most lovers. Okay, तो उसका फायदा हम definitely लीजिएगा. Okay, really thankful to you all. Please connect to this group and maybe I'll share one more course. See, मेरा एक ही मानना है, that is give. Okay, इसमें कुछ e-resources भी मैंने दिया है, एक link दिया है. You can refer some e-resources. And again, like don't come with the intention to take, come with the intention to give. Okay, आइए उधर क्या करना है, किसी को मोटिवेट करो. ओके, किसी को हेल्प करो, किसी को इंस्पायर करो. ओके, एंड रिमेंबर one thing I can see, like for example Karpagam, okay, Bhavisha or Dora Babu, if they are going to inspire thousands of people, okay, and that's it. Okay, क्या जबरदस्त चेन रिएक्शन हो सकता है. Okay, क्या जबरदस्त चेन रिएक्शन हो सकता है. Okay, and I don't know, I just wish thank you, I just wish let's not die before we die. I just wish let's live the life to the fullest. Okay, yeah, sorry, I just shared all the things from my mind. Okay, from whatever I from heart. Okay, intention is to let's do something great, bigger contribution. Thank you very much. Let's meet tomorrow morning 3:30 a.m. Sunday off nahi hai, Saturday Sunday off nahi hai. Okay, all days 24, I mean to say all 7 days. Okay, all 7 days. See, as I said, like you can take leave anytime. There is no constraint, there is no compulsory, but yes, okay, the more time you be active, that will be more beneficial for you. Thank you very much. Let's meet tomorrow morning 3:30 a.m. Just say to yourself, 10 बजे से पहले सोना. Okay, that's it. Thank you. See you. Good night.